Today we're talking turbos, specifically Cat Reman turbos, and some common myths about acceptable turbo cores. Our core expert Alan is going to bust those myths for us. Take it away, Alan.
Happy to do it, Zach. Let me start by saying there's really no perfect core, which is why we accept cores with operational damage. In other words, damage from normal use. For a turbo, that includes a broken shaft, a cracked housing, or a burnout housing divider. We even accept cores with a compressor or turbine wheel that's damaged or not rotating. Now, a lot of customers ask about the flange because there's a misconception that turbo cores with nicks, chips, or even hammer marks and excessive rust or corrosion on the turbo flange or housing aren't acceptable. I'm happy to say that's not true. Damage like that is considered operational, which makes the core eligible for full credit. One thing to keep in mind, though, is the band clamp. If that's missing, you'll see an add charge on your core.
That's great to know, Alan. Thanks for setting us straight on turbo core credit. If you have more questions about Cat Reman turbos, get in touch with your local authorized Cat dealer or visit cat.com/reman.